around 40% population is below poverty line. So it depends to make more impact making RTI. It depends on the educated people and the media and the civil society. Only RTI Act can be saved only they use only after they use it effectively. But they are not using. This is also a matter of concern.
Okay, but
like our newspaper is best known for investigative journalism, the Indian Express. We have they have deputed me to do this, but such system is no in other media organization. So apart from
it differs, as I said, the approach differs. So is of course the way you go about it. That is, but there are 2-3 key areas here, sir. One being, what are the issues that are faced on the demand side? The demand side could have problems like there is low public awareness, there are constraints faced even in the filing process. There could be poor quality of information provided and other kinds of things. On the supply side, there are different problems. There are problems related to failure to provide the information within 30 days, inadequate trained PIOs and the first appellate authorities. There could be problem like the record management is not up to the mark. It is a little obsolete. There could be non-availability of basic infrastructure. Have we been able to address these issues? Do you see that these issues have been, addressed in all these years?
Well, the demand and the supply issue, the way you have framed, we look at it slightly differently. The demand side is the claim of rights. The people have the rights and right to seek information, and they exercise their right. On the supply side, we have the obligations of the public authorities. How do they do that? So it is true, as we discussed before, that as I mentioned to you, that there are different categories of the information seekers, and they do ask for some such inconvenient questions, and at times they because of lack of understanding about the RTI Act, they do not put their rights in a proper perspective. For example, the RTI Act defines information. What is information? Information means any material